Are you a finance student or young professional ready to build serious wealth? Forget the myths and quick fixes. This is about understanding the proven strategies the truly wealthy use to grow and protect their capital over the long term. We're diving deep into the principles that drive real financial success. Welcome back. I'm entrepreneur, investor, and writer dedicated to demystifying wealth creation. My goal is to equip you with the knowledge to navigate the financial landscape effectively. This session is tailored for sharp minds like yours, eager to move beyond theory and apply powerful investment principles. We'll explore the core tenets of elite wealth management. These aren't secrets, but rather disciplined approaches often overlooked in the pursuit of quick gains. Understanding these strategies is fundamental to building a robust financial future. Let's lay the foundation for your wealth-building journey. The wealthy understand that true financial freedom comes from income that doesn't require their active labor. They invest heavily in assets that generate consistent cash flow. Think rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, royalties, or profitable businesses. This focus on cash flow provides financial stability and fuels further investment. It creates a self-sustaining cycle of wealth accumulation. Passive income streams reduce reliance on earned income, offering flexibility and security. Analyzing assets based on their cash flow potential is a critical skill. It shifts the focus from speculative appreciation to predictable income generation. This is a cornerstone of sustainable wealth building. Elite investors rarely use only their own capital. They skillfully employ other people's money, OPM, to amplify returns and scale faster. This involves using smart debt, like mortgages or business loans, or attracting investor capital. Leverage, when used prudently, allows you to control larger assets with less upfront capital. It can significantly boost your return on equity. However, it requires careful risk assessment and management. Understanding debt structures, interest rates, and the concept of positive leverage is crucial. This isn't reckless borrowing, but a calculated financial tool. It's about making capital work harder for you. The wealthy don't dabble. They become experts in specific areas. They focus their investments within industries or asset classes they deeply understand. This allows for informed decision-making and identifying undervalued opportunities. Investing in what you know reduces risk and increases the probability of success. It requires rigorous research, due diligence, and continuous learning. This expertise becomes a competitive advantage. Avoid chasing every hot trend or speculative bubble. Instead, commit to mastering one or two investment niches. Your knowledge base is a powerful asset in itself. A fundamental principle is buying ownership, not just consuming. This means acquiring equity in businesses, real estate, or other income-producing assets. Ownership provides control and the right to future profits. Trading time for money has limits. Building equity creates wealth that grows independently of your direct labor. It's about owning pieces of the economy. Whether it's shares in a company, a stake in a private business, or title to a property, focus on building a portfolio of owned assets. This is how wealth compounds over generations. Contrary to popular advice for beginners, the wealthy often build significant wealth by concentrating their early investments. They focus intensely on one or two high-conviction opportunities. Diversification comes later, once a substantial capital base is established. Concentration allows for deeper focus, greater potential returns, and the ability to significantly impact your net worth with successful ventures. It requires confidence and thorough analysis. Once wealth is built, diversification becomes key for preservation and risk management. It's a strategy for protecting gains, not necessarily for initial accumulation. Build your core first. Protecting capital is paramount. The wealthy employ sophisticated strategies to safeguard their assets from risks. This includes proper insurance, establishing legal structures like LLCs or trusts, and meticulous financial planning. Risk management isn't an afterthought. It's integrated into every investment decision. It involves identifying potential threats and implementing measures to mitigate them. Preservation is as important as growth. Understanding legal frameworks and asset protection strategies is vital for long-term wealth management. It ensures that hard-earned capital isn't lost unexpectedly. Prioritize safeguarding your foundation. Deals, opportunities, and crucial insights often flow through strong networks. The wealthy actively cultivate relationships with peers, mentors, and industry leaders. They understand the value of social and professional capital. Networking isn't just about meeting people. It's about building trust and mutual value. It opens doors to private deals, expert advice, and collaborative ventures. Your network is a significant asset. Actively participate in professional communities, attend industry events, and seek out mentors. The right connection can provide invaluable guidance and access to opportunities you wouldn't find otherwise. Building substantial wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. The wealthy operate with a long-term perspective, focusing on compounding returns over decades. They are patient and disciplined, resisting the urge for short-term speculation. This involves consistent investing, reinvesting profits, and allowing time for growth. It requires resilience through market fluctuations and a commitment to continuous learning. Success is built incrementally. Develop a long-term financial plan and stick to it. Focus on consistent action, reading, analyzing, investing, rather than chasing quick wins. Patience and persistence are powerful allies. You now have insight into the core strategies employed by the financially successful. This isn't just theory, it's a blueprint for action. As finance students and young professionals, you have the knowledge and the runway to implement these principles effectively. My challenge to you is simple. Choose one strategy discussed today and commit to taking a concrete step this week. Analyze a potential cash-flowing asset. Research leverage options for a future goal. Deepen your expertise in an industry, or strategically expand your professional network. Start small, but start now. Building wealth is a process of consistent, informed action over time. Your financial future is within your control. Apply these principles with discipline and vision. If this guidance resonates with you, please like this video, subscribe for more insights, and share it with peers who are also serious about building lasting wealth. I'm empowering you to invest wisely, manage your wealth professionally, and build the future you envision.